Hey guys, how are you doing? All of a sudden, the control center volume and brightness controls are not working for some users. After updating to iOS 26, users have reported that when they navigate inside the control center and try to adjust the volume up and down, it is not working. It's kind of stuck and unable to change the volume controls, by navigating inside the control center volume bar. So what you have to do is, it could be a temporary glitch or issue. Try to lock the iPhone once and then unlock it with your Face ID and then try to adjust it. This should work normally. Otherwise, you need to perform the force restart. Press and release the volume up button once, then volume down button once, then press and hold the side button for few seconds. After seeing the Apple logo, you can release your hand. This will do the force restart. Even if you see the slide to power off button on the home screen, don't remove the side power button hand. You need to keep on pressing it for next 5 to 10 seconds and then the phone will restart, and that is called force restart. Then you can come back and navigate inside the control center, and the volume bar and the brightness controls, adjusting bar, everything should be working fine. If this problem rarely happens, then you don't need to worry about anything. Just keep updating the iOS 26 software. With upcoming updates, Apple will fix these annoying bugs and the problems will be gone. Otherwise, if you're repeatedly experiencing the issue, navigate inside the settings app, then general, navigate to the bottom section, the transfer or reset iPhone, and you need to navigate inside the reset and reset all settings. This will reset any settings related changes or accessibility settings related changes causing this problem, kind of a bug that is not able to fix on its own after your few days of usage. Then this set of all settings reset will help to fix such issues normally. And if the problem is still happening frequently, then you need to check your iPhone battery health. If it is near to 80% or below 80%, then the frequent apps crash, hangs, and the controls not able to work properly, may be difficult with the liquid glass effect that is on iOS 26. And you need to follow the recent video that I have uploaded regarding how to disable the liquid glass effect on iOS 26. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first pinned comment. Following the steps in that video will help you to reduce the pressure that the iOS 26 liquid glass effect puts on your iPhone and iPad CPU and GPU. So that way we can minimize the overall graphics performance, and in order to get the iPhone to be used normally with the volume controls or brightness controls or any other controls are unable to adjust at all, such problems can be fixed by following those steps. And yes, if the battery health is near 80% or below 80%, it is recommended to visit the Apple Service Center and change your iPhone battery in order to get the same peak level performance normally. I hope this video helped you to fix the problem that you have with your control center volume bar or anywhere the apps hangs and crashes that you experience after updating to iOS 26 on your iPhone and iPad. Thank you so much for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.